I just wanted to show you how you can possibly fix a painting that has not turned out very well. The color's bad and the detail's bad and the trees are bad, and the only thing that's somewhat okay is the bushes and the grass, but even they need some work. But I need to fix this, and I thought, what better lesson than to help somebody that maybe has some paintings that need some fixing, and this might maybe help somebody else. I mixed up a glaze. This is a glaze with some yellow ochre. You could use different colors. I usually use burnt sienna, which I did on the underneath all of this with a glaze, very thin layered. But because I really need to rework this, I don't want to paint over it. I just want to add a little unifying glaze over the whole thing. And so I can do that with a very thinned out yellow ochre, which will bring a slight evening light kind of color to the whole thing. And then I can add more color, more highlights. I'm going to put a little visible sun on this too, and I think it's going to work. You can use, I'm testing this actually, I've never done it before, but this is a makeup brush. And I think I can use it to thinly spread out a glaze so that it doesn't have brush marks. That seems to work pretty well. So I wanted to test that. This isn't adding very much color, but it will be unifying when it's all said and done. This is going to dry a little bit darker, so that's why you don't want to put it on here dark, and I got it really glazed down. You don't want it to dry. You know that it's going to dry darker, and then if you have it too dark to begin with, you figure on 20 to 30% more when it finishes drying, so you definitely don't want that much of a difference. I kind of like using this makeup brush for smoothing things out. That was well worth the $3 or whatever for a set of 3. I'm sure that if I bought an artist brush that does the same thing, it's probably $20 or more. Sometimes you just need to watch your wallet, particularly because acrylics are very hard on brushes. They tear them up so fast. So being able to use something that's a little bit cheaper is a great saver. And it's not leaving any hairs behind either, so that's always a good thing. I'm going to let this dry and we'll come back to it.